Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be tidying up my house. I have a few chores to get done, and I thought I'd bring you guys along, but better yet, in real time. I won't be speeding up any of these clips. We're going to work together and get our chores done, and we get it all done in less than 15 minutes if you follow along with me. First, I'm going to be putting some drinks away in the fridge. We keep our extra drinks in this black island to the right, and we're running low, so I'm going to refill that first.
Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here but nothing came, so I close my eyes, 'cause you reflected everything. It's shining through the light in you. It shines so true. The light in you.
Moving on to our living room, I'm going to pick up the boys' toys that they brought in here from their room and just take them in their room and put them away. Then I'm going to fluff the couch, fold the blanket, and take the paper towels to put them away, and the living room will be pretty much done. I do have to vacuum everywhere, but I'll probably save that to last and do it all at once.
Once again, and dreams turns into ashes. But here you are, still in my arms. It's shining through the light in you. It's shining through the light in you. It shines so true. The light
This black cabinet I use to keep our extra pillowcases for the living room and our blankets in, and then that very top basket I have started keeping all of my editing tools, my mic, my headphones, my recording things, because I do a lot of editing here on the couch, and it's just easier to have everything that I need right beside me. So I'm just going to tidy that stuff up really quick.
this time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting what you say. As we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin.
As I was fluffing up the couch, I realized I had lost some pillows, and I found them behind the couch. My toddlers love to throw the pillows off the couch into the floor, in front of and behind the couch. Another way that I like to make the room look nice and neat and tidy, bright and airy, all the good things, is I like to raise my blinds. And I love these blinds. They're from Lowe's. They're just super simple, clean, and neat. So I'm just going to raise those to give the room some more light.
Feelings like this never end.
Moving on to our hall closet where we store all of our supplies, I'm going to put away all of our paper towels. We do get paper towels in the mail. We do the subscribe and save through Amazon. That does save us a lot of money on paper towels. This is a full order. It's 2 packs, and I usually get it about every other month. We go through paper towels like it's nobody's business, so subscribe and save has been a lifesaver for us.
Love is growing stronger, 'cause it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Yeah, it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Oh, with my fall.
All right, it is time to tackle our floors. Let's get out our vacuum cleaners and vacuum everywhere that we need to. I'm going to be vacuuming our upstairs hallway, the living room, and our entryway. Oh my goodness, guys, our entryway, it gets so dirty because that's where guests come and go. They bring leaves in on their shoes, and it just gets bad. So I'm ready to vacuum that up and get it looking good. This blanket laying in the floor was in the living room, and anytime I need to wash something that's upstairs, I usually just throw it over that wall into the entryway, and then I grab it as I'm going downstairs to toss it in the wash machine. That's the lazy way to do things, I guess, but that's what I do, and I'm not ashamed.
I was wandering round town in a city ago when I was struck by luck, 'cause I found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone like a restless soul. The wind that stroked your hair left your scent in the air, and the sun was almost acting as a spotlight just for you, making flowers bloom. Days are made for you. You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see. You looked away before I could say that all I want is you and to be near. Standing where you are, I'll give you my heart, peace when we're apart. But then he walked by, you see he walked by, and started to smile, got up and took him by the hand. Now I understand that he is your man. You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see.
are two things that make me feel like my house is clean and neat, and that is a clean kitchen and a clean master bedroom. I love when my master bedroom is picked up and the bed is made. It just looks so much more put together and makes the whole house feel cleaner. So this is the last task, guys. Let's get to our master bedrooms, make our beds, pick up the clothes, gather laundry, all the good stuff, and I know that we're all going to feel so much better once these things are done.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix
We did it. We tidied up our house, and now we're ready to tackle the day and do whatever we need to do. We can rest, we can play with our babies, just enjoy it in a nice, tidy house. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it motivated you to get all your chores done. I hope you have an awesome day. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. I do have cleaning motivation coming every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. So don't forget to click that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye.